with Ash's Treasure. I did a video the other night talking about my shampoo and my hair rinse, and I just felt like I needed to do a video. So I put my 3 cups of water. This is a shampoo. It's 1.5 cups of distilled water. I use spring water. 1/2 cup of castor oil soap. 3 teaspoons of virgin coconut oil. 3 drops of lavender and 3 drops of rosemary. And I put 3 cups of water in here because I'm doubling it up. And then a 1/2 cup of Castile soap, Castile, however you want to say it. And while that drains, the hair rinse, I went ahead and put 3 cups of water in here. So, and it's 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 3 tablespoons, no, 2 tablespoons, 1 cup of water, so it's 6. You need a towel.
To dry my hands.
Okay. 3, 4, whoops, someone got mine. 6, and I done missed some. This time I'm gonna put lemongrass in here just to cover up the smell of the apple cider vinegar. I put about 15 drops in there, and then all you do is put the top on, shake it up, and you are good to go. That's your hair rinse. I have noticed, like I said, once you do the shampoo and then put your hair rinse in there, leave it in for a minute, and use cool water to rinse it all out. That works the best. And this is still draining. So, and that's all I do. Here's the lavender and here's the rosemary. And there we go. That is my shampoo and my hair rinse. So thank you for watching. Thank you for coming by and stopping and saying hello. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. And thank you for watching Ash's Treasure. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.